There are multiple health benefits to building muscle that goes beyond looking fit and being able to pick up heavy things. But whether you want to get stronger comes from health or aesthetic reasons, there are 6 fundamental workouts you should focus your training around. Wondering which exercise? Watch this video on parshealthhtv to get your answers. Number 6. Squat. The squat is undoubtedly the king of all workouts. Squats work on most muscle groups in the lower body, even if it emphasizes the abs muscles and hamstrings. The more muscle mass and motor units recruited when you do an exercise, the better the workout for burning body fat, and the squat is one of the best of them all. You can do different variations of the squat to involve different muscles more precisely. The front squat works more on the quadriceps, and the back squat, suggested over the front squat because it recruits more muscle activation, focuses the hips and hamstrings more. Switching the width of your stance when you perform squats will also impact which muscles are worked more. A narrow stance will involve the quadriceps more. In contrast, a wide stance will focus on your glutes and hamstrings, and finally, the sumo stance, the adductors. You can utilize barbells, Swiss balls, dumbbells, and even just body weight to do squats. Whether you utilize free weights, i.e., barbells and dumbbells, or equipment, i.e., the Smith machine and hack squat, also determines the influence of the squat, with barbells being superior to the rest. Ideally, when doing the squat, you should go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. However, some people cannot do this, i.e., taller or long-limbed individuals, so going as far as you can is proper until your form is fine and the intensity is high enough. Number 5. Bench press. Another power workout. The bench press is the primary workout utilized to focus the pectorals, and, to some extent, the anterior deltoids and triceps. As with the squat, the bench press can be done with several variations to aim at different chest areas. More specifically, utilizing the flat bench will concentrate on the middle of the chest, and utilizing an inclined bench press will focus on the upper pectorals and serratus anterior. In contrast, a declined bench press will work on the lower pectorals. Again, dumbbells, bands, or a barbell can be utilized with this movement, with the barbell preferable, even though using dumbbells needs more stability. Switching the grip width can also impact which muscles are working more. A wider grip will hit more on the chest itself. In contrast, a narrow grip will work on the triceps more, making that variation a fantastic workout to do when targeting the triceps. Number 4. Military press. Also named a shoulder press, the military press focuses on the deltoids and generally performs in a standing position. In that way, it pushes the trainee to stabilize their abdomen instead of being able to utilize the bench for support, as they did in a seated military press. As with the deadlift, squat, and reverse bent over row, the abs are more activated than during the military press. Dumbbells or barbells can also be utilized, with a barbell preferable, as the unilateral activity may lead to muscle and strength imbalances. There are 2 variations, in front of the head and behind the head presses. Behind the head, presses are for the pro trainee only due to the higher risk of injury if the workout is done incorrectly. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. Deadlift. If the squat is the king, the deadlift will be the queen. Although both workouts can be done interchangeably with the royalty titles. The deadlift targets not just the back but your entire core, recruiting and strengthening the large lower body parts, from the shoulder girdle down to your glute and hamstrings, with a focus on the gluteus maximus, hamstrings, quadriceps, abdominals, hips, and strengthening and stabilizing the erector spinae and your lower back. This motion is crucial, as the lower back is mostly a very weak area, which causes injuries, instability, and other problems. Depending on your forearm strength, you can utilize straps to hold your grip on the barbell when you begin picking heavier weights. Otherwise, there are multiple hand positions you can perform. Both hands pronated, i.e., overhand, an alternate grip, this helps strength, with one hand pronated and the other supinated, i.e., underhand. Number 2. Pull-up. After reverse bent over rows, pull-ups are the most complete workout for developing back strength, particularly for the latissimus dorsi. You target every muscle of your back, from the wide part of your latissimus dorsi and trapezius, tapering down to your waist and lower back, just by performing a mixture of pull-up variations. Several variations of pull-ups can be performed, from utilizing total body weight to the assisted machine to even adding more weight in the form of extra plates from a chain on a weight belt. You have close or wide grip choices, with your hands in a neutral, supinated, pronated, or position. You can do half reps, it focuses more on the biceps, complete pull-ups, with elbows to full extension, or sternum pull-ups, where you continue the motion until your sternum touches the bar. Number 1. Dips. Dips are the best workout you can do for your triceps. New brand trainees can begin doing bench dips. Dips with their hands on a bench and their feet on the ground. Slowly lift the body weight and dips on the dip bars. The pro trainee can add weight to their dips by either keeping a dumbbell between their feet or having a plate on a chain on a weight belt. Fast or slow, dips target your arms, and you will feel the burn during this eccentric action. You can do different variations like your grip from the normal shoulder width apart by having them a little wider or even having your palms turned to face your body. Dips should be done with the body straight up and down to target only the triceps. A tilt, in the upper body, leads to the pectorals working more. Dips can also be related to your strength on the bench press and better performance. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends. Wishing you a wonderful day.